Maverick bandsaw blades. MK Morse is an industry-leading manufacturer of industrial bandsaw blades. Whether you are looking to maximize production, extend blade life, or tackle the hardest-to-cut materials, Morse has a bandsaw blade solution for you. The Maverick bimetal bandsaw blade is designed for general-purpose use across a wide range of environments. It is suitable for cutting metals from mild steel to stainless steel to tool steel. It can also tackle the occasional structural workpiece while maintaining efficiency and performance. Maverick is scientifically designed to deliver maximum blade life. Follow Morse's targeted speed recommendations to encounter fewer blade changes and reduce cost per cut no matter what material you are tackling. Operate efficiently in environments from job shops to production applications and steel service centers. Push your blade life to the next level with Maverick from MK Morse, a partner you can count on for all your industrial cutting needs.